Pilot lights out, and the kitchen is gray. Another piece of the world just drifted away. I'm wrapping my arms round a memory of heat, while the frost starts to bloom on the edge of the sheet. It don't ask permission, it don't ring a bell. It just creeps through the cracks of this hollowed out shell. I can hear it in the attic, I can hear it in the wall. The sound of a winter that's same in the fall. It's shaking the rafters, it's dimming the light, bringing the scent of a permanent night. You can pile up the wood, you can bolt every door, but the cold's got a way of finding the floor. There's a cold wind blowing through the center of my chest, looking for a place where the shadows can rest. It'll freeze every word before it hits the air, and leave you with a silence that's stripped and bare. Yeah, it's coming for the marrow, it's coming for the bone. The cold wind blowing, and I'm all alone. Breath of the ghost, it's the end of the line. It's the slow steady freeze of everything mine. The mercury is dropping, the glass is gonna break. There's only so much that a spirit can take. The garden is buried, the river is stone, just a kingdom of ice on a makeshift throne. There's a cold wind blowing through the center of my chest. It's looking for a place where the shadows can rest. It'll freeze every word before it hits the air, and leave you with a silence that's stripped and bare. Yeah, it's coming for the marrow, it's coming for the bone. The cold wind blowing, and I'm all alone. Let it blow, let it free.